Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Use 3 ounces non-alcoholic tequila alternative, 2 ounces fresh lime juice, and 1 ounce orange cordial. Measure ingredients precisely so your drink balances acidity, sweetness, and orange warmth. Add 1/2 ounce agave syrup for sweetness and 1/4 teaspoons salt if you prefer a salted rim. Keep a small bowl of coarse salt and a lime wedge ready. Have plenty of ice and a lime wedge for garnish. Chill glasses ahead of time to keep the margarita crisp and bright when served. Shake vigorously with ice for 12 to 15 seconds until outside of shaker feels cold. Start by filling the shaker 2/3 with ice, add the measured non-alcoholic tequila alternative, lime juice, orange cordial, and agave. Shake to aerate and dilute about 20 to 25% for balanced texture. Double strain into a chilled glass over fresh ice to remove pulp and shards. Garnish with a lime wheel and serve immediately for best flavor and aroma, enjoying the bright citrus nose. Adjust sweet-sour balance by adding up to 1 ounce simple syrup or reducing lime juice by 1/2 ounce, tasting as you go. For a smoky note, try 1/2 ounce mezcal-flavored non-alcoholic spirit or add a few drops of liquid smoke. Serve in a salt-trimmed glass with a 1/2 teaspoon coarse salt for classic character, or use sugar for a sweeter rim. Store leftover mix refrigerated up to 48 hours in an airtight container. Then reshake over ice before serving to restore brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.